Tropical trees are the best way to add an exotic feel to any homescape. Today, we're going to transform this backyard pool into a pool paradise with the help of some of my favorites, the banana tree and the Majesty palm. You'll learn how to pot them, where to place them around your home and patio, and care tips for happy, healthy trees. As always, my name is Macy, and this is Potting and Planting with FastGrowingTrees.com. The banana tree is the perfect companion for any backyard pool that needs that exotic touch. Its large leaves grow up to 4 feet long, and the tree itself can reach heights of 10 feet. And while banana trees are best used as tropical ornamental trees in most areas, they may produce fruit in the right conditions. If you're searching for a tree that instantly brings tropical vibes to any environment, look no further than the Majesty palm tree. This fast grower stays relatively compact with widths of up to 3 to 4 feet, but can reach heights of 10 to 20 feet, depending on if you're growing indoors or out. Now I know what you're thinking, Macy, I just don't know if tropical plants can thrive in my home's environment. That's why FastGrowingTrees.com makes it easy by detecting your growing zone and showing where the plants thrive best in your area. I'll be potting my banana tree, so that in the winter I can easily transfer it inside out of the cold. When potting your banana tree, it's best to use a citrus or a cactus potting soil. A pot that is equipped with a drainage hole and is 1 to 2 sizes larger than the pot that it's currently in. As always, if you have any specific questions about whether or not a banana tree can thrive outdoors in your growing zone, or you want detailed instructions on how to pot your banana tree, visit FastGrowingTrees.com. This is the Majesty palm tree. I absolutely love this tree, and it's perfect for beginners because FastGrowingTrees.com has taken care of all of the hard work, so it's ready to thrive in your home. When you receive this tree, you don't need to immediately repot it. These trees like smaller pots and even thrive when they're a little root-bound, so repotting it is only necessary when it outgrows the pot that it arrives in. A good indicator of this is when the roots begin to emerge from the bottom of the pot. Typically, you can expect to repot every other year. When it comes time to repot your Majesty palm, simply follow the same steps as you would with a banana tree, with a pot that is 2 inches larger than what the tree is currently in. There's something about tropical plants and trees that just brings new life to a pool's atmosphere. It's always important to place your plants in a spot where they will thrive, not just look visually pleasing. Banana trees love sunlight. They need a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. Majesty palm trees, on the other hand, can tolerate some shade since they've adapted to live indoors. They'll be happiest in an area with full to partial sun. It's important to maintain your plants so they continue to thrive in your home. Water your banana tree 2 to 3 times per week, or more often in dry conditions. If leaves are yellowing, it may be a sign that you're overwatering. Brown leaves can be a sign of not watering enough. The Majesty palm also prefers moist, humid conditions. If you're unsure of when to water your Majesty palm, check the soil. If it's dry about 2 inches down, it's time to water. If your Majesty palm is indoors, mist it regularly, in addition to watering, to simulate a humid, tropical environment. Well, that's all for today's episode of Potting and Planting. Let us know in the comments what your favorite tropical plant is, and be sure to subscribe for more potting and planting videos just like this.